Today I am reviewing the STGAubron Gaming PC Computer Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop is a powerhouse designed for gamers, creators, and anyone who demands high-performance computing. With a combination of a fast processor, a robust graphics card, ample memory, and sleek design elements, this gaming desktop is perfect for gaming, content creation, streaming, and even professional workloads. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base speed of 3.8 GHz and a boost clock of up to 4.6 GHz. This processor delivers remarkable performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding software. Whether you are running multiple applications, editing videos, streaming, or handling business tasks, the Ryzen 7 ensures everything runs smoothly without lag. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6GB GDDR4 memory provides impressive rendering capabilities. Gamers can expect high-quality visuals and smooth frame rates in popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Valorant, Apex Legends, and more. Even demanding AAA games like Elden Ring, Hogwarts Legacy, and Battlefield 5 run reliably with high settings at 60+ frames per second, delivering a rich and immersive gaming experience. The desktop comes equipped with 16GB DDR4 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking, and a 1TB SSD for fast boot times and quick access to your files, applications, and games. This combination allows you to switch between gaming, streaming, and work applications without performance hiccups. For gamers and content creators, the SSD provides the storage speed needed for loading large projects and assets efficiently. Connectivity is versatile and modern. The STGAubron Gaming PC includes Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable internet connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple ports including HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, RJ45, and serial, giving you the flexibility to connect monitors, peripherals, and external devices easily. The included RGB fans X4 not only keep the system cool under heavy loads, but also add a stylish, dynamic look to your gaming setup. This system also comes with a gaming RGB mouse and keyboard, providing a complete out-of-the-box experience for gamers. With Windows 11 Home 64-bit pre-installed, you get access to the latest features, a modern interface, and productivity enhancements right away. The system also includes a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support, giving you peace of mind and reliable assistance whenever you need it. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a student, a professional content creator, or someone who enjoys high-performance computing at home, the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop offers everything you need. From immersive gaming experiences and smooth multitasking to high-speed storage and advanced connectivity, this gaming desktop is built to perform and impress. In summary, the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop combines AMD Ryzen 7 5700G power, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB SSD, RGB cooling, and modern connectivity into a stylish and reliable desktop solution. Whether for gaming, streaming, creative projects, or professional work, this PC provides performance, reliability, and aesthetics all in one complete package.